All of life must take care of basic functions to stay alive. Some take life's tasks to the limit, running faster, diving deeper, becoming more enticing, even thriving in the most extreme environments. What explains life at the limit and all of life is a simple step-by-step process called natural selection. From day one, life is a struggle for survival. And yet some individuals report slight differences. Random genetic mutations are the main source for all variations in size, coloration, the ability to avoid predators, and countless other genetic traits. Even a slight genetic variation can prove to be an advantage. Diving mammals take breathing, inhaling and processing oxygen to a much deeper level. Over 25 million years ago, mammals shifted from land to hunting underwater. We could make the transition because of a random genetic variation that allowed it to store higher concentrations of oxygen in its muscle tissue. The underwater hunter had tapped into a new food source which helped it survive and pass on the ability to its offspring. Generation after generation, the new trait was inherited, so it spread through the population. After millions of years of mutation, the trait became fixed and ancestors of all pinnipeds, a group that includes seals, sea lions, and walruses. Elephant seals can hold their breath the longest for nearly 2 hours. It takes a lot of energy to move, but just about every step in life requires it. In the struggle to survive, creatures can't afford too many false starts. Natural selection drives the most effective adaptations for locomotion. Unique ways of grabbing a meal can be the difference between just getting by or thriving. The harpy eagle's giant curved talons grasp large prey. A gaping jaw and an elastic stomach allows the black swallower to eat fish much larger than itself. The mantis shrimp takes a crack at even the hardest. Keen vision, ultra-receptive smell, touch, and hearing, specialized senses are useful in specific environments. Tardigrades are masters of survival, enduring for years in the absence of air, food, and water. The tiny animal transforms itself into a near death-like state and then waits until the bad times are over to spring back to life. But the individual genetic differences of this particular tardigrade only persist if it reproduces. Creatures that have survived to reproductive age face the ultimate test of fitness. The drive to sexually reproduce ensures that adaptive genetic traits are passed on to the next generation. Sexual reproduction shakes up the gene pool, introducing new random genetic variations. As an egg is formed, copying errors can arise and new combinations of genes are produced as it sorts out its genetic material. Random genetic variations are not all positive. Most make no difference. Some are clearly a disadvantage. But genetic variations are a good thing because life on Earth is changing all the time. Environmental change, shifting populations, competition for resources that ebb and flow. No matter what changes come, all creatures are in a struggle for survival. Over time, the pattern that emerges is the process of natural selection. The resilience of the process means that each generation faces new tests of survival, brings new adaptations, and new ways to stretch the astounding limits of life.